Pregnant women and children were allegedly given rotten eggs in various districts of Karnataka in what appears to be a current statewide trend. The Department of Women and Child Development, which oversees the Integrated Child Development Project, provides the eggs. Government officials claim that many contractors from various regions supplied the rotten eggs after winning bid or tender. Prior to the assembly election this year, the tender were called in February. However, the work orders weren't granted until June, and the supply of eggs started in July through the Anganwadi centers. A woman by name Savitri said she bought eggs from an Anganwadi center and she was surprised to see the eggs bursted and she presumed the eggs looked more like plastic or a toy egg. Areas in Hassan, Kodagu, Haveri and other districts in the state have reported the same problem. Women and Child Development Department Director MS Archana declared, I have requested a report from the regions where rotten eggs were supplied. The tendering often takes place at the taluk level. We will look into the situation and determine the source of the issue. We will punish the contractors severely if they are discovered to be at fault.
ನಾವು ಡೈಲಿ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿಯಿಂದ ತತ್ತಿ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾರು ಎಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ತತ್ತಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೊಡೆದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಒಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ಖರಾಬಾಗಿದ್ದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುದಿಸ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆ ಥರ ಬರ್ತವೆ ತತ್ತಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ತತ್ತಿದ್ದು
The great sister.